धीरस्ස विगतमोहस्ස अभिन्नखीलस्ස विजितविजयस्स अनीघस्स सुसमचित्तस्स बुद्धशीलस्स साधुपञ्ඤ.
We are here at Bhavana Society in West Virginia to celebrate Venerable Henipula Gunaratana Thero, who known as Bhante Ji, 98-year birthday. He dedicated his entire life to share Buddha's timeless wisdom with the world.
Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Akhathang Kathissa Tusitassa Vantalokamissassa Muditassa Katha Samanassa Manujassa Antima Sarirassa Narassa Anupamassa Virajassa Bhagavato Tassa Savakohamasmi Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Asangsayassa Kulassa Venaikassa Sarate Varassa Anuttarassa Ruchira Dhammassa Nikhankassa Pabhasakarassa Manachedassa Virassa Bhagavato Tassa Savakohamasmi Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Nisambhassa Appameyassa Gambhirassa Monapatassa Hemankarassa Vedassa Dhammattassa Sangutattassa Sangatigassa Muttassa Bhagavato Tassa Savakohamasmi Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Nagassa Pantasenassa Khena Sanyojanassa Muttassa Pathimantakassa Dhonassa Pannadhajassa Vitaragassa Dantassa Nippapanchassa Bhagavato Tassa Savakohamasmi Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato
Theravada tradition started in the United States. Bhante Ji joined that Theravada temple which called the Washington Vihar in 1968. The building that you can see today is the one that Bhanteji started and moved to that place and established the Buddhist Vihara there. So when he started the community of the Buddhist community there in Washington area, there was only 4 people as members. But when he was moving from Washington Vihara to start Bhavana Society, he was able to collect more than thousands followers and thousands members to the Vihara. So then after Washington Vihara, now in the United States that you can see almost 3,000 Theravada temples. So it means now we can see each and every corner in the United States some Theravada temples. Mahayana temples was there. That much long history is there. But Theravada tradition started in 1965 and it grew up very well with the help of Bhanteji's missionary works. So Bhanteji is the person, monk, who started to going into universities to introduce Theravada Buddhism. He had been contributing many ways, particularly as you know, the word bhavana, introduced to English as bhavana, that word, that original word, Pali words. Because bhavana, that word even in English translation we use meditation, that is not correct meaning. That is not the real meaning of bhavana. That's why in here you can see Bhavana Society. So now most of the people who are following Theravada tradition, they know the word's meaning. And Bhante, this word's also very important. As we know, we have few words to introduce religious leaders. We call reverend, monks, venerable, and priest. All these words we are borrowing from Catholic or Christian traditions. To explain Buddhist monk, it is not easy because a priest or monk or reverence means he's a mediator. The superpower is there unseen. Lay people are here. Between them, there's a person, we call him priest, monk, or reverend. We are not that kind of people. We don't have that kind of duty, responsibility to connect you and the Buddha. So that's why Bhante introduced to this American society the word Bhante. Everybody knows Bhante means is different meaning. So Bhante means that is the Pali word for the bhikkhu.
I do have really very short remarks, partly because the best story of Bhante's life is told by Bhante. Everything is here. Everyone in here has access to this book. So I will not be repeating much of this at all. Almost 20 years ago, we prepared this for Bhante. Very, very nice. I'm very happy that we were able to do this. It's 55 years of experience of having this wonderful Kalyanamitta. But instead, I went through my journals and I found the journal, wasn't looking for anything in particular, I was just looking for the earliest, and I've lost a couple journals. 1973, 74, I found this many references in 1 year of my life, living in Indiana, still working, going to school in those days. About 35 times I called Washington, D.C. to ask questions. I was thinking of going back to school. I called and said, what if I want to go back to school and I want to do some Buddhist stuff? He said, I will write letters. I will say, you're a good Buddhist boy. You show promise. Good luck. That sort of thing. And he started writing letters for me. I called and I said, there's a Sanskrit institute that I could go to. It's not Pali. He said, take Sanskrit. It's good for you. And it'll be a good basis for your Pali later. So every time I had something, some idea, I have page after page of Bhante's letter came today and he said I should do this. I wrote to Bhante and he wrote back and said, you should try that. It's just one thing after, it's amazing to me how many times I talk to you in a 1-year period. Some people already have that newsletter, the new newsletter. I think this picture is from 1 year before. The cover of the newsletter is from when Venerable Bhante Gunaratana was the Vihara Adipati at the Washington Buddhist Vihara. And then I looked through this and I thought, oh, I've got a picture from the year before. If you remember Bhante, we flew you out to Ron and Kayan Peaks farm in southern Indiana. And he did a 1-week retreat in a barn that we put together. We had to clean the barn, we had to do a lot of, but it was a beautiful retreat. And retreats were something very, very new in America at that time. So the folks who came didn't know what they were going to get. I don't think you had taught very many retreats at that point.
And whenever we come to see Bhante, and we feel like we are going to our own great master, our own great father. And the image I have about Bhante Ji is Venerable Mahakassapa Mahathera. At the time of the Buddha, you may know that Mahakassapa is one of the great disciples of the Buddha. And when Buddha passed away, it is the Venerable Mahakassapa who actually became like the father of the Sangha and organized the first council and then organized the whole Pali Canon, Tripitaka. So for us, for all of us, I think all our Bhantes will agree, he is like the father of the Sangha. So that's the feeling we get when we come here, Bhante. So you have that great kindness and compassion and love for all the monks here. We need your guidance, we need your blessings. And as the sons of the Buddha, and also as the sons of you, our father of the Sangha, we all wish from the bottom of our heart, may Bhante Ji be blessed with more physical strength, more physical comfort, and also more clarity in your mind. And may you continue to bless us, may you continue to teach us, may you continue to inspire us all. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
We all must remember that we need some time to reflect, time to think that we all are going to face something unpleasant. We all will. No excuse. And therefore, we don't like that. So Buddha said, Jati dhammanam bhikkhave sattanam evam ichcha uppajyati aho vatamayam na jati dhamma asama nacha vatano jating agacchayasi nakopanetam ichcha paddabam idampi yam pichang nalabati tampi dukkam. I explain the meaning in English. Beings who are subject to birth wish, may I not be born again. One life is enough. But unfortunately that will not happen. That is what is called not to get what one wants. We want not to be born, but we are born. Similarly, we wish not to fall sick, but we fall sick. We wish not to get old, but we get old. Like myself. If we are lucky enough to live, you will come to my age, even beyond that. Old age, sickness, and death, all this happen to us. without any exception. We all know this. And therefore, what is the use of thinking of all this? My friends talk about friendship, others showed these movies, little videos, this one will talk about friendship, and so forth. These are very useful. But at the same time, we must collect all of them and put in our mind and put all of them into practice, and then we will meet that unpleasant moment with great pleasure and happiness. So, today I must thank you all for coming and showing your love, friendliness, support to me and for this celebration. All of you from various places in the United States, various countries in the world came and participated in this. Thank you very much.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Karaniya matta kusalena yantam santam padam abhisameccha. Sakko ujuja sujuja suajuja buddhu antimani. Santussa koja suparoja appavijjoja sallavukavukti. Santimpriyoja nipakoja appagabho kulesu ananujitto. Naca buddham samajare kinchiyena vinnyo pare upavadeyo. Sukhino akevino hontu sabbe satta bhavantu sukhitatta. Nabhagavana bhutatti tasava tavarava anavasesa. Igavaye mahantava majjima rasa kanugatura. Dittavaye vaddittaye jadure vasanti avidure. Bhutava sambhavesi vasabbe satta bhavantu sukhitatta. Naparo param nikubbeta nati manneta katta jinam kanchi. Yarosana patiga sanjana anyamanyassa dukkha micceya. Mata yatanyam buddham ayusayeka buddha manurakke. Evam hi sabba bhutesu mana sambhavaye aparimanam. Buddham adoshati asambhadam aviram asapattam tiddham charam nisinno vasayano vayavatassa vigata viddo. Etam satin aditteya brahmamekam viharam vidamahu. Dittinja anupagamma sīlavādassanena sampanno. Kāmesu vinayya vedam nahidātu kappaseyam punareti. sabbete avamangala vinassantu ආයු වඩ්ඩකෝ ධන වඩ්ඩකෝ සිරි වඩ්ඩකෝ යස වඩ්ඩකෝ බල වඩ්ඩකෝ වන්න වඩ්ඩකෝ සුඛ වඩ්ඩකෝ හෝතු සම්පදා දුක්ඛ රෝග භය වේරා ශෝකා සබ්බේ උපද්දවා අනිගා අන්තරායා විවිනස්සන්තු තේජසා ජය සිද්ධි රණං ලාභං සොත්ති භාග්‍යං සුඛං බලං සිරියායුච වන්නෝ ච භෝගං බුද්ධි ච යසවා සතවස්සාච ආයුච ජීව සිද්ධි භවන්තු තේ සබ්බීතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනස්සතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛීතිකායුකෝ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ අභිවාදන සීලිස්ස නිච්ඡං වද්ධාපචායිනෝ චත්තාරෝ ධම්මා වඩ්ඩන්ති ආයුවන්නෝ සුඛං බලං ආයුරාරෝග්‍ය සම්පatti සග්ග සම්පatti මේවච අතෝ නිබ්බාන සම්පatti ඉමිනාතේ සමිජ්ජතු
We wish Bhanteji good health, long life. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.